my supervisor in the Major Crimes Unit, Sergeant David Garnes, notifying me that there's a missing juvenile investigation, and I was asked to come and assist.
Okay. Up until approximately that point, Patrol was sort of handling that investigation, but it was transitioning over to investigations. Is that fair?
Yes.
About that point? Okay. Where did you respond, and who were you briefed by?
I responded to the North Amenity Center in Durban Crossing at 738 North Durban Parkway. I met with, excuse me, Deputy Robert Maloney and spoke to him.
Okay. And did he inform you of the information he had up until that point?
Yes, he advised me of information that he had gotten from speaking with the Bailey family initially, and speaking with two subjects identified as Dolphus Apsher, who goes by the name of Trey, and Aiden Fucci.
And was Aiden Fucci and or Trey with law enforcement at that time?
Yes, they were detained in law enforcement vehicles.
Okay. What do you do at that point? Do you stay on scene or do you go do something else?
I was on scene for a while. I transitioned to our staging area at Veterans Park when more resources started coming in, and I eventually moved to a Northwest Field office located at 725 Florida Branch Boulevard.
Does something get brought to your attention in the early parts of this investigation in reference to Aiden Fucci's cell phone and activity on that phone?
Yes, I was advised that he was posting to social media from the backseat of the patrol car.
And what did you response to that?
I requested that his phone be seized so that we could preserve any potential evidence based on that phone.
And what app or application did you learn Aiden Fucci was using to post to social media while being detained?
Snapchat.
Did you later obtain records of Snapchat confirming those posts?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, without objection, state would move in to admit states G. For the record, this is a business record certification from Snapchat and a selection of those videos to publish today in court.
Any objection? Okay. Without objection, that will be received as state's next numbered exhibit.
5.
Number 5. Thank you.
Permission to publish, Your Honor?
You may.
And Detective, there's a photo. Kind of describe what we have here with the 4 things we're going to display to the court, what each one of them is.
So the first one you see on the left is the original photo, and you can see where it's stamped there in the name of the file. The second photo on the right is just a text banner that Snapchat overlays the text banner on top of that picture. And then the last 2 are videos.
Okay. And I'm going to start here with the photograph and then kind of have you explain that again as we open it up. Let me open this. And so for the record, I'm publishing States 5, a photograph of, just describe what you see here.
Aiden Fucci taking a picture in the reflection of the barrier glass in between the front compartment and the rear compartment of the vehicle where passengers sit.
Okay. And how Snapchat returns the results to you, they also gave you this file. What does this state?
This is the text banner that was overlaid on top of that picture with the Snapchat post.
And what does it say for the record?
Hey guys, has anybody seen Tristyn lately?
Okay. And so just so the court understands, this picture was displayed with that text over top of it.
Yes.
To the user on the Snapchat end that would see it.
Yes.
Okay. And do you know approximately when this was posted?
It would be in the timestamp. So it would be on the 9th of May at approximately 4:52 p.m.
Okay. And then I'm just going to play the next 2 videos that you received from Snapchat of interest.
5 and a
fucking cop car.
Yep. Tristyn.
What's up, guys?
Tristyn, if you fucking walk out the damn.
When you see this in a month,
We're having fun in a fucking cop car.
Yep. Tristyn.
What's up, guys?
Tristyn, if you fucking walk out the damn.
when you see this in a month,
Then I'm going to play the next one.
Cop car, cuz. Tripping, dude. It's in a fucking cop car, cuz. Tripping, dude.
And when you review the records, Snapchat indicates these file names are under memories. What is that? Does that mean it's something that the public can see, or he directly sent to like one individual?
No, that basically it's your homepage, if you will, your the snaps that you post. They're posted to your memories, and basically everybody can see those that you're friends with.
Okay. All right. So you're advised that that sort of thing is going on. Ask that his phone be taken. At this time, are there detectives tasked with searching for video based on the information you had from Trey and Aiden at this point?
Yes.
Okay. What information, kind of what area of the neighborhood were they focusing on that time for video based on what
So
they knew?
based on the initial information that they obtained from Trey and Aiden is that Aiden and Tristyn had left from Trey's house at about 1 a.m. and were walking north along Durban Parkway, and they mentioned the amenity center. So we went to the amenity center to look for video there.
Okay. And what did you learn from the amenity center video?
There were two subjects that were seen walking past the amenity center at approximately 1:24 a.m., which was consistent with the direction and time frame.
As the investigation continues on that day, when was Tristyn's body alerted to see that it was discovered?
The sheriff's office received a phone call from a subject named Daniel Hart, who advised at 6:06 p.m., who advised that he had been out in a wooded area and found a deceased body at that point.
What happens with the investigation at that point, and specifically, what is your role?
At that point, it transitions into a homicide investigation, and I was designated as the case agent.
Do you go out to the crime scene at that point in the woods, or what do you do?
I did not. Crime scene technician Marilyn Butts was tasked to go out to the scene where she was located to process that scene and collect evidence, and then I was kind of gathering information and looking at what the next steps were in the investigation.
Okay. Do you proceed to write a series of for various residences and places?
Yes, we began to secure several different residences to either obtain consent to search from the homeowner or to draft search warrants.
And based on the now of Tristyn, are there detectives that are dispatched to that area to search for video?
Yes.
Okay. And sort of throughout the night, where do you end up stationed, where you're drafting warrants and things like that?
I'm at the Northwest Field Office.
Okay.